Hello YouTubers, and it is Bricklink time. Alright, we got another order in today. Let's go ahead and see what we got going on here today. So, this one's a little bit of a bigger order, as you can see, but I believe it's just a bunch of random pieces for landscaping. Alright, so we got these right here. These are going towards the bumper car. We had the bumper car area done. I do have the video that I just posted finally of the entire Bricklanta. So I did post that. And so the bumper car area was there, but it doesn't have a roof on it or like the pillars that are going to go around it. These are going to be the gates that go on the outside of it. So that's what that's for. Here we have 100 of the little small plant stems. So that's that. Here I've got landscaping pieces and pieces that are going to go towards the ocean that you saw that we were working on. Alright, we got some 2x4 gray plates, which, again, more landscaping. Same thing here, I've got green 2x4 plates. That's going to be even more landscaping. Pretty much all the green, gray, let's see, the dark blue, dark bluish gray, the green, light bluish gray, all those are going towards the landscaping, which we are currently working on. That includes these as well. These brown 1x1 bricks, I'm actually using these in place of the, it was like a 1x4, like a brown pillar, and I just couldn't find those at a good price as part of, like, you know, at a place where I could buy multiple, you know, like a lot of things that I needed. So I just bought those instead, and I'll just stack them up. And this should be able to allow us to finish off the double-sided shrimp shack that we got working on. Alright, again, we got all kinds of little beach and stone pieces for landscaping. A lot of 1x4 green bricks. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of green. I've got some of these. Let's see, I'll take one out. I got some of these here. These are going to be for the rocky cliff side that's going around the river. So yeah, a lot of these I forgot that I even ordered. I mean, when you take a week or anywhere from 7, I'd say 6. This is 6 days. 6 to 10 days when you order stuff and you're ordering something every week or every few days. You kind of tend to forget what you're doing, what you're getting. But this was a real generic order. Oh, this red piece here. See if I got a part number for this one, because it's this was a big order and they were really fast. This piece here, this red gate right here, this right here was actually a rare piece, it said, whenever I was looking for this, and I added it to my wanted list, and they had one. They just had one, so I grabbed it because I do need it. I was thinking I may have to do my fence in a completely different color, but I was able to do that. These white ones here that we have in this bag, these are going to be for the bumper car, so I'm excited about that. I think I can start. I think I'm about ready to do that. I just need the roof top part. This right here is for our dunk tank. I needed one of these, so I grabbed a few extra ones because I didn't have any Technique pieces that were thick like that. These are like 1x5s, but they're thick, not the thin ones. And I had thin ones, but not the thick. And then I got a few more fishing poles, so we can have fishermen near our rivers and oceans. So they had a few of those. So definitely wanted more fishing poles. I did get a couple of fishing poles in a small order I got recently, but it's for a stop motion video, which I am currently working on. Alright, and then I got these right here. These are just going to be landscaping pieces to contour, to shape some of the areas. So I got pieces for sand and pieces for rocks. So that is the order. I will go ahead and place, I've been putting the part lists on the end of the videos, so you are welcome to take a look at any of these part lists. If there's a piece maybe in here that I had, you will be able to at least get the description or the part number. Depends on who I get them from. Sometimes the part number is listed, sometimes it's just a description, but the description will be enough for you to actually search on Bricklink for it if you're not sure what it is. But anyway, that is that. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
you. Yeah, you, the person sitting there watching this video while drinking tea, or on the couch, or, heaven forbid, driving. If you like what you see, don't just watch. Subscribe, and hit that like button as well.